Social media marketing is the practice of using social media platforms to promote products or services, build brand awareness, engage with customers, and drive traffic to a business's website. It involves creating and sharing content on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others, with the goal of reaching and engaging with a targeted audience. To get started with social media marketing, a business needs to first identify its target audience and the social media platforms that they are most active on. It then needs to create a social media strategy that outlines the type of content to be created, the frequency of posting, and the metrics to track success. The content created for social media marketing can include a variety of formats, such as text, images, videos, and infographics. It should be designed to capture the attention of the target audience, provide value, and build a relationship with them. Businesses can also use social media advertising to reach a wider audience by creating targeted ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Social media marketing can be highly effective in building brand awareness, increasing website traffic, and generating leads and sales. However, it's important to continuously monitor and optimize social media campaigns to ensure that they are aligned with business goals and are delivering a positive return on investment.